Hi, good morning, Eleanor. I hope you're doing good. This is Adrian from Excel Designs. I'm just going to make a short video for you that will help you to navigate on how we can manage the website for pizzacafe.com.au. So basically, we have the website live on pizzacafe.com.au, the domain, and the website which is in front of ourselves right now. So as you know it, if we want to manage the website, we just need to copy the link and then open up on a fresh new browser. Just click on to just paste it like pizzacafe.com.au, then wp-admin. So once you do that, it's going to ask for the username and a password. So basically, I've already sent you the login details for Pizza Cafe backend login. So basically, you put your username and also the password. So copy paste the password here, and then click on to login now. So once you click on to login, you will be on the dashboard of this particular for our website Pizza Cafe. So once you're logged into the dashboard of the website, so we have two views now. So we have the frontal view. So basically, this is going to be the front view of the website, and this is going to be the back end view of the website from where we will be managing the website. So basically, when you look at this thing, so we have on the right hand side, we have all these things like media pages, banner, testimonials, gallery, banquet. These are all the menus: the dining menu, pizza menu, and appearance. The rest of the things are available over here. So let's look at something as simple things like banner. So if you want to update a new banner on the website, you just go simply click on to banner. Once you go to this section, if you want to add up a new banner, you can just click on to add new banner. Once you click on to add new banner, it's going to ask for the banner name, the banner and the title of the banner, and then the description of the banner. So if we look at the whole website, this basically is going to be the banner name, and this particular is going to be the content of the banner. So basically the banner name and the content, if you have something that you want to have on the banner, well, if you don't want to have anything on the banner, just leave the space blank. For the images that you want to upload on the banner, you just click on to set a featured image here. You can click on to the media library. Basically means the images that are already available on the website, or the images that we have uploaded on this particular system folder of the website. But if you want to upload a new image, just click on to upload files and click on to select files, and you can go to the computer where we have your image are located. Just click onto that and select it and open the file and click on to set a featured image. Or you can also drag and drop the file. It says drop files anywhere to upload it. So you can also drag and drop the files over here. Once you do that thing, click on to publish, and then you'll have the new banner images on the website. Right now, that similarly goes with testimonials. So testimonials basically is in the last section of the website above the footer. So testimonials and reviews. So we have 4 reviews right now. If you want to add up new testimonials, simple thing, just click on to add new testimonials. The title is going to be the customer's name, and this is the section where you're going to have the review mentioned. If you want to have the customer image, you just click on to set a featured image and select the file. It's the same process. Select a file, and you can select the customer profile picture or customer image and click on to set a featured image. Once you do that thing, you'll come here and then click on to publish button. That's all you need to do. For the gallery, yes, go if you want to upload a new image on the gallery, as you know, we just have one image on the gallery today. But if you want to add up new images on the gallery, just click on to add new gallery, and then just give a title to that very gallery or picture, and then click on to set a featured image, and then just upload the picture. You do not have to write anything over here because it's not mandatory that we need to write something here. It's just a gallery. So just click on to set a featured image, and then again like select the pictures from your computer, and then like publish it, right? So it's very easy to like upload pictures on your gallery. Now let's look at some pages here. If we go to pages, on the pages we have home, about us, functions, uh, contacts us, and menu, and all the pages are here, right? So when you go to menu, we have about us, the banquet menu, the contact us, dine-in menu, functions, gallery, and pizza menu, right? Now the menu sections, you cannot make any changes from these sections over here. If you make any changes, we will have a problem on the menu sections. Or if you try to make any changes, you're not going to be able to make any changes. But if you do, we will have a problem on the menu sections, because this is not the section from where we are managing the menu. So if you want, but the rest of the pages like about us and functions, you can make changes. These two pages you would be able to make changes. So if you go to about us, now on the about us page we have like a lot of sections. We have a lot of vacant spaces, like this is the section where we had an image, a picture. So yes, so this section is like where you don't see any images here since you have removed it. You just click on to, if you want to add up a new image on this section, just click on to add new image. Same process, select a file from your computer and upload it. And then you can also change the title of the sections here. It says our history, but if you want to change the content here, you can simply just remove it and change new content. Same thing with the descriptions. And once you do that thing, just click on to update section here. Also, if you want to add new rows, or let's say if you want to add new content, because we just have our history, cafe, and community. But if you want to add new content here, all you need to do is click on to add new row. Once you click on to add new row, again new section is going to be available for you to add up content. Same process, you just need to fill in the blanks here with the content and the images, and then click on to update button here. That's all we need to do. uh, so now let's look at the other pages here. So other pages that we have is um, let's check out with functions, right? So on the functions, if we go to functions, we just have the content available here. So the functions is mentioned here. So again, we have like three icons for birthday celebrations, work functions, and pre-wedding drinks. You want to add up new, logos or anything, or a other service. You just need to add an image. You can browse your library and give it a content name there, as we have given it here. For example, these are going to be your examples to have a look at. And then basically this is the section where you can increase the level of the content. This is the content that you have right now, but if you want to increase on the content, or you want to make any kind of edit on the content, you just edit it and then just click on to update here. So once you do that thing, the frontal view of the website is going to be updated, right? Now let's look at the general settings of the theme. So this is going to be the general settings, where you can see you have the logo, the location, the telephone number, the email address. Basically, these all sections are in for home page and for all of the websites. So if you make a telephone number changes over here, or you'll wherever you see the telephone number are going to be changed in one shot. So if you change the number here, it's going to change everywhere, stating from the home page at the very top, At the very footer, you have telephone number here. Even in the contact space, we have the telephone number. Yes, you can see the telephone number here as well. So if you make any changes on this section, it is going to change on throughout all of the websites. So make sure of that thing. But section one is going to be for all of the thing is going to be for the home page, the section one. These are going to be the section one, all right? So you can give just try it out. Just go around with the website and you will figure out where all these sections belongs to. All you need to do is just see where it if you have any content and just update it and go to the website and see where the changes has been made. According to that, you can see this section belongs to, right? The social media is a very simple thing. uh, we don't have any link for Instagram, but if you have a link, just copy paste the link of Instagram here. And Twitter, we don't have a link here, so if you have a Twitter link, just click it here. uh, Now let's look at the menu, where the main thing is going to be about the menu. Now let's look at the menu here. So as you know it, the dining menu and the banquet menu, we have the dining menu and the banquet menu is the menu that we can see on the website, and takeaway menu and pre-order menu are the PDF menus, right? So since this dining menu and banquet menu are you wanted it as it look like on your print media or like your table menu that you have on your restaurant. So you wanted it how it looked like on your print media. So we had a lot of troubles doing it because you wanted it how it looked like. Because of that thing, we faced a lot of issues and problems and conflicts on this particular while we are working to develop this particular menus for you. So for this thing, if you want to make any changes on these two menu for dining and banquet menu, you will have to get back to us. But for rest of the menu, like for takeaway menu and for pre-order menu, if you want to upload a PDF link, and then I will now I'm going to navigate you how we can do that. All you need to do is just go to media. Once you go to media, as you can see, you have a lot of menus here. Now if you want to add up a new PDF, just click on to add new here, select a file. So I've already selected the file which is going to be the dining menu, for example. All right, so you can select the new folder or new file which is on your PDF that you want to have it on the website. Just click on there, just click on to select file and select the PDF menu from here from your folder. Once you select it, this is going to be the section that you are going to have a look at. All you need to do is just click on to just copy the the URL of this particular menu. Just copy it, and then you can go to the section where you can see appearance. So if you hover your mouse to appearance, they can see home, I'm sorry, theme, custom, widgets, and menu. Let's go to menu. Once we are on the menu section, as you can see, there are a lot of things on this section here. uh, let's forget about everything and just focus on the custom link here. So once we go to custom link, it's asks for URL and the link text. So the URL is going to be the link that we just copied. We are going to paste it here, and the link and the URL is going to be the menu name. For example, new dine in menu. All right. So we can, once I have that thing, I just click on to add it to menu. Once we do that thing, this is going to be available on the section, as you can see. All now it's all we need to do is we just have to slide it up, and then like just make it in the same alignment to this particular menu. What it is doing is this particular menu, as you can see, this is the main menu, and these are all are going to be inside the menu subcategories. So these are all the sub items. All right, so if you do this way, this is going to be the main menu, but we do not want that, so we just need to slide it and in making the same alignment with the rest of the menus here. Once we do that thing, all we need to do is save menu. Once we save the menu, now we need to see new dine in menu on the frontal view of the website. So if we hover a mouse on the menu, we should be seeing the new dine in menu, right? So we have the new dine-in menu PDF available here now. All right, so I hope you understand that thing. Now if you want to remove anything from this section, so for example, you want to remove this thing, all you need to do is just click on to remove here. Just click on to remove and then save it. All right, now since we have removed that very new dining menu, as you can see it's here, but if you refresh it, if you refresh the page, you'll no longer see that very section here, right? So it's very simple. It's not that very complicated. um, so I guess that will help you out to manage the website. And lastly, you have mentioned about the SSL certifications. Now let's go to Google. So once we go to Google, now you can see that you want to know what is an SSL certification. So over here you can see it's a lock sign and it says HTTPS. So SSL certificate, we can Google it. What do you mean by SSL certificate, right? So what is a certificate used for? It says when installed on a web server, it activates the padlock and the HTTPS protocol and allows a secure connections from a web server to a browser. Typically, SSL is used to secure credit card transactions, data transfers and logins, and more recently in becoming the norm when securing browser of social media sites. Basically, the SSL is talking about just to make the browser, uh, you know, connection, the connection of the browser very secure. That is what the SSL certificate or SSL certification does. So basically, if you have a website where you're making online transactions, or if you want to make the browser secure, because people might be using any browser. For example, I'm using Chrome right now, but I can also use Internet Edge. This is the new browser. I do have the new browser as the Brave. This is also the new browser, right? So all about it's about when people using any kind of browser to browse your website. So a browser connects to a server where our website is being hosted. So just to make sure that that very connection is pretty secure and you do not have any kind of malware attack, or if you're trying to make a payment on the website, if you have an e-commerce website, the SSL certification is just making those things secure, right? So previously you had SSL installed on your domain, that was with your TPP hosting. So if I go to Google and search for pizzacafe.com.au, all right, now I'm already having a look at a Pizza Cafe website over here. If I click onto this link, I can open up the website here. But the same thing if you like have it as https colon. If we do that thing now, we are not going to be able to view the website. It's going to say something like your connection is not private. So this is because there is you're typing HTTPS. Now I did have a talk with TPP hosting a day before yesterday about this problem. I guess they also had shoot an email to you, because I did tell the company to shoot you an email about this thing. I was also trying to talk to them about if you have SSL purchased on your account. But we do not the lady was not able to see any SSL product on your TPP account. So if you want to have SSL certification, you can also purchase it from TPP hosting, or you can also purchase it from our site, and we can install the SSL certification on your domain layer that comes under the on the domain hosting package. So we just that what you can do is we have to install the SSL certification. You can get the SSL certifications from TPP hosting, or also you can also get the SSL certifications from our site as well. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any doubts or any confusions, do let me know. And I hope that this video will help you to manage the website. Thank you so much for your time today, and good day to you, Eleonora. Adrian here.